Today is election day in the United States, and the Bitcoin volatility will be. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are, whenever you are. Thank you for watching my videos. My name is Davinci Jeremy. I'm in the pipe 5x5 here in Dubai, and I'm going to be showing you guys what the volatility is going to be like in today's election day shenanigans, right? It doesn't matter who wins, really. Of course, yes, Trump will mean, positive volatility, and Camilla will mean negative volatility. But in the end, Bitcoin will shine throughout the years. And the coming year, for next year, we're going to see Bitcoin at an all-time high and going above 100,000, regardless of who you think is best to run the country into the ground. And they will be running the country into the ground. Doesn't matter who is at the wheel, right? It's too late, right? You're crashing. You can't pull the plane out of the death spiral that it's already in, and that is the plane of the United States. Okay, we're going to be going over some news, right? We're going to go take a look at some of the cryptocurrencies that I'm invested in, right? And we're going to do some trading as well. And the best place to do that trading, yes, bybit.davincij15.com. Links in the description below and in the pinned comment. You can check out other exchanges and affiliate links as well. I'm going to be headed over to the trends in November, the 13th and 14th in Moscow. So if you want to participate, let me know, and you can sign up and buy a ticket and leave a comment if you're coming. Remember, you're going to need some ID, right? For all these exchanges. It doesn't matter if you use a non-KYC exchange, which are in the description below. They will eventually require KYC, and now you will be able to have it. So get it done. All right. Okay, Waffles. Nice bounce on Waffles, right? Waffles was taking a hit, but with the help of the dev team and so forth, we have got it to bounce nicely. We're seeing some nice liquidity come in here with $500,000 because, hey, you know what? This was an ultra low for Waffles, which has huge fundamentals, and boom, there it is. Waffles has led the pack out of all of these meme coins that I've invested in. Orc, yes, don't worry. Orc is going to see its day in the sun. Orc is going to bounce off these levels, right? You can see that this is a clear bottom level here that we have established for Orc. Let's just mark that in the sand here. And Orc has never really broken through that. And so we can see that Orc will rise again. You are buying now the lows for Orc. All right, so Orc's got like a quarter, almost 300,000 liquidity, and it is going to continue to rise from here. So you're buying the lows with Orc. Same Wow Mao. Yes, it's it's early for Wow Mao to say that this is the bottom, but I really think that you could see that there has established bottom here, where you can see this wick started this run. So the bottom is here for a Wow Mao. So you're buying the bottom for Wow Mao and for Pepe, right? Pepe's bottom is clear here, right? Maybe we can bring this down a little bit, right? Because you can see there is some more wicks down here. So we can say that this is the round here is the bottom. So easily. So there it is. You're buying the bottom of Pepe at this moment. So don't waste time, right? Because these meme coins are going to explode. And if you're not into them, well, you're going to miss out on some serious gains. Okay. Boy, the news is going to be an interesting one today. We're going to go over those news, and you can find those links in the description below. Of course, crypto whales bet big on Trump win ahead of the election, the US election. Okay, it turns out, there's a betting application, right, where you can place a lot of bets on crypto, probably. And they're the whales, right? We see that Trump yes shares are very highly concentrated. 5 fat cat accounts own 50% of the 162 million shares, including the El Giga Whale, with nearly 1/3 by himself. Those 5 will be paid $81 million if Trump wins. Oof, damn, I wonder how much they'll lose. Oh, damn. Each U.S. election week has set a Bitcoin price floor that has never been revisited. Yes, this where we are now at the 68K level, we will never see that again. This is it. This is it, folks. Don't waste any time. Indestructible Bitcoin, issued by Davinci Jeremy. They mixed up my name, Jeremy Davinci, as BTC seeks to regain 70K. Interesting article here, right? I was like, what? Okay. Davinci published a tweet that may be interpreted in various ways. How you interpret it? Comment in the comment section below. Truth is indestructible Bitcoin and may refer to specific things such as strictly limited 21 million supply, or to things that are vague and abstract that Bitcoiners love to tweet about regarding BTC as an idea of innovative concept. Yes. Well, truth, there's really only one truth. And whenever a woman says, "It's my truth, this is my truth," one, you should run. Right? Because there are women out there who will argue whether or not 1 + 1 = 2, right? They will argue that to death. And if they do, right, please run. Please just leave the situation. Don't talk to them. Don't even engage in any further debate, right? And so if anybody, right, talks about Bitcoin and tells that Bitcoin is crap, don't further that it's math, right? It's an absolute mathematical equation. That's what Bitcoin is. Okay? So that's what is indestructible. You can't destroy the truth. You can actually believe something else, and you will pay for it when the reality hits. U.S. elections versus Fed rate cut. 5 things to know in Bitcoin this week. Well, there's a lot of action going to be happening this week. As you can see here, a wide order book and heightened liquidity characterizes the start of what will likely be surprising week for Bitcoin traders. Yeah. Election day is almost here, and so are warnings of a sell the news event once the results are in. Yes, well, that's obvious, right? I mean, this is a trader delight situation. The Federal Reserve interest rate decision will come just 2 days later, providing another crypto volatility catalyst. Yes, it's going to be a wild ride. Bitcoin market cap dominance is at its highest level in 3.5 years after a key monthly close. Yes, the dominance is just absolutely out there. Bitcoin network fundamentals are due to hit an new all-time high all around this week. Yes, because there are more miners, right? Because there's so much profit with Bitcoin to come that the miners are coming in heavy. 3 signs Ethereum's price is in trouble below $2,500. Yes, I really think that Ethereum is in trouble if it doesn't start to get back to the $3,000 level, because effectively, right, you can see that the lack of investor interest is concerning, especially since institutional ban was considered a key part of Ethereum's appeal, as ETH's gains occurred on May 21, 2 days before the ETF were approved by the Securities Exchange Commission. And look at this, man. It's just not been good. So I'm going to be probably taking action on this Ethereum, because Ethereum is just dead in the water. Yeah, it is what it is. Okay, well, we're going to be doing some technical analysis, and the best place to do it, trade, is bybit.davincij15.com, and also on the trading view. And you can see we had this trade, and I guess we didn't quite make it down to the levels that we thought we were going to go. So what do we do with this trade? I think we have to walk away, right? With the loss here, should have been a little bit less greedy and went with a 2-to-1, and that would have got us a good entry here. But yeah, it is what it is. A good exit, good target, And yeah, we are going to have to walk in the positive here from this trade, because as you can see, Bitcoin is ready to pump. And you don't want to be in this trade when the US elections are going on. Anyways, it's a short trade, and Bitcoin is very volatile. And it's going to be very volatile in the next little while. All right, so let me reload these, and let's head over to Ethereum. Ethereum has broken this support level, but has regained it really fast. And it's got to like, take off above the $2,500 level, because this is absolutely insane where it is right now. Why is that? Because Bitcoin's at its all-time high previously, and Ethereum was at 4K. And so what the heck is that? This is like, half the price of what it should be. And because of that, priced in Bitcoin. So because of that, it's concerning for all of the participants and owners of Ethereum. And I think it's time to reassess and maybe even jump into sometimes online. Well, yeah, sometimes online. Looks ready to run, right? We've got lots of Wing action. We didn't quite hit our target of the $200 level, but it's come back to retest the breakout level. And if we can just head in the opposite direction, the upward direction instead of the downward direction, we're going to see Solana actually break through its $200 level really fast. So yeah, let's just see what that is, what the percentage gains are. And so it just makes sense, right, to take your Ethereum, that's just even 20%, right, to take your Ethereum and buy Solana. Because even if, let's just say, if we go to back to the highs, that's only the previous highs here, it's only at 10%. We'd have to go all the way to the $3,000 level to compete with Solana. So yeah, you can see that Solana has a good, clear trajectory. Now let's take a look, see if Ethereum can break higher. And there is no indication of what actually can break higher. We actually see, look at this. This is actually a very bad sign. And we've broken this level here already. Jesus. Ethereum, what are you doing? Whew. Okay. Well, looking at the Bitcoin liquidity map, heat maps, we can see that we didn't quite take out all the liquidity, which was quite fascinating. Usually we do. So there could be another breakdown actually to the 666 level. So I wouldn't just count us out just yet. Looking at this, I wouldn't jump into a trade. If you want to walk from this trade or hold it, that's fine. Actually, you could hold it. Now that I'm thinking about it, we could probably hold it and see if it takes us all the way down. But yeah, maybe you could take profits, a little bit of profits at the 2-to-1 risk to reward ratio if you're going to hold it, because it looks like we should. Yeah, it looks like we should reverse here and head straight back down. Looking at Ethereum, it's the same results. Oof, Jesus. ETH, why you got to go and do that? Looks like we're going to go all the way to 2,200. What the heck? Wow. Okay. Well, it is what it is. Let's hope it doesn't do that. But, that's what Ethereum's pointing to. And I'm hoping that, it gets to the $3,000 level, because this is just ridiculous for Ethereum. But anyways, I think no matter what happens, right, Bitcoin's going to do its thing, right? There's going to be a lot of different alts and alternative currencies out there that are going to do well. And if it's not Ethereum, then it will be something else. And so that's how it is. All right, well, thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys next time. Cheers.